So I'm here doing an open house number 66, and the reason why, I'm going to give you a little story. The last contract that we just put in on this development, we've got 15 houses to sell. We're halfway there, but the last contract we're actually signing for this property was from someone who visited an open house 4 or 5 months ago, long time ago. One of our agents was hosting an open house here. They came in, they walked around, they kind of exchanged the information, and then they left. 5 months later, they called. They said, "Actually, you know what? We've decided to move forward with one of these 15 homes." And we met. We put them on the contract. So, today is rainy. Today it's snowing. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but probably nobody's going to show up. Probably it's just going to be a dead open house, or maybe there's going to be that one person who is actually possibly interested and not sure yet whether they're going to buy yet, maybe next year, not sure what the interest rates are going to be. They don't have an agent yet, so they're not going to be able to book a showing. And so for those kind of people, we kind of do these open houses every single week for a year now. And we're actually selling through them. Some of the buyer who came in previously before the one I just talked about also came from an open house. That's the one I met, and they're coming and buying it through me. So, even though this is a rainy, snowy day, we have to stay positive in sales. We have to stay optimistic and outworking the competition. Whatever you're selling, whatever you're doing, that's just the mindset it has to be. And one can say, oh, it's going to be raining and it's going to be snowing and it's cold outside, and right now is a winter time and things are slowing, the rates are high. What's the purpose of doing an open house? Boom, last week we put 2 deals on the contract on this development. So you never know. You put out your best and then let the things play out.